Hi, my name is Ashley and I am the brand owner of Suje Paper. This is a video DIY tutorial on how to make handmade paper without the blender. I just launched my Mould and Deckle kit on Amazon and I thought I would care to show you how to do a DIY paper with no blender, especially if you have limited environment and equipment. So if this video helped you, please hit that like, subscribe, and notification bell, and let's upcycle some paper. The main things you need is my super affordable paper making kit, and you need a jar. First, collect your non-glossy recycled paper at home. Do whatever it takes to break down these papers to pulp. Your approach can be different depending on what paper source you use. You can soak them overnight in a hot or warm water, grind them using a hand tool, hit them with a mallet, or cut them very small like me. This is cotton lint, so it should be pretty easy to break down. Put these scraps in the jar. Turn on warm or hot water and pour it in the jar. Today's a beautiful day to do paper making in Chicago. Put the cap on and shake it for about 3 to 5 minutes. Or until it's pretty cloudy like this. Remember the water to pulp ratio and put the pulp into the tub. Massage them with your hands to try to break it down even further. I'm going to show you 2 ways to make sheets. The first way is by drawing a sheet from the tub of water. The second way of making a sheet is to pour the pulp onto the screen. Try to evenly pat down the pulp. Now it's time to cooch. Wet the felt and put it on the tray. Take the screen, roll it on the felt, and sponge out the water. Take off the screen. Lay another wet felt on top. Repeat the process to make more paper. Lay down the last sheet of felt. Take 2 hard boards or books inside plastic bags and sandwich your stack in between. Step on it to press and get the water out as much as you can. Separate the felts. Transfer the wet papers to the window to dry. When this is dry, you can compare the blended versus the not blended. The right one is very crinkly because it's uneven. And they're both a little crinkly because it took time for me to do both the video and the paper making, so they were both a little dry before I put it up on the window. But the middle one can be easily fixed by spraying a little bit of water and put it inside a heavy book. and you wait a day and it should be very flat. Hopefully this helped on how to do paper making without the blender. If you're interested in my Mould and Deckle kit, please click the Amazon link that I provided below. If you have any questions about the no blender tutorial, please leave it in the comments. Thank you! Happy paper making!